Wait a second. I've had the Hero 5.
The new GoPro Hero 5.
I got this in 2016 and it broke in 2017.
Rip the GoPro.
But now that I'm on the subscription plan, I wonder if they'll replace it. And funny story.
Mr. Black.
Welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and well, GoPro videos do really good here on this channel. So if you are new here, don't be a stranger. Also, I know it's a bit of a strain on your finger, but if you can click that one, I think it helps out a lot. Links to everything I'm talking about will be down in the description, plus some cool GoPro accessory coupon codes and all that stuff, so do check that out. And also, as always, a surprise link. And also, if you're looking for some amazing music for your videos, make sure you check out Artlist. They're sponsoring this video. GoPro's not, but Artlist is. I'll tell you a little bit more about it later on in the video. But throughout this video, you'll be listening to some Artlist music, so unless my math is not correct, this number is bigger than this one. So this should be a no-brainer. But why does it feel like there's a catch? And you know what? I was skeptical at first as well. I mean, for one, when I bought my GoPro, I bought it at a store, not online. And for two, I just didn't, I don't know, it was too good to be true. And I had a feeling that they were gonna be like, oh, we gotcha, or something like that. However, a really nice follower of this channel, Adam Both, shout out to Adam, he actually had an extra subscription that he got through a new GoPro, and he gifted it to me. And you know what happened? Well, I just realized that, I would have saved a lot more money had I just done the GoPro subscription from the beginning. And honestly, if you're here right now because you're contemplating on whether you should click that option when you're buying your new GoPro, yeah, just do it. And there's no need to watch the rest of this video. I mean, unless you want to learn a little bit more about what you get with these benefits. Although this is a bit confusing. You save $200, but the total that's crossed out is $549, and the total without is $499. Not sure how that works. But you know what? It's still a lot of savings. And what you get with the subscription, you get unlimited cloud backups and auto uploads, unlimited use of the Quik App, up to 50% off of their website and accessories, and no questions asked camera replacement. So you see why this seems a little bit weird. You're saving money, and you're also getting a bunch of perks. Perks that can also save you money. But let's just dive in a little bit deeper on what those 4 subscription perks are. Let's just start with no questions asked camera replacement. You are allowed up to 2 different cameras to be replaced throughout the year. Now, there might be a trade-in fee, which it says on their website. And I actually heard a lot of reports that when people did this, they paid nothing. Wait a second. I've had the Hero 5. It broke in 2017, but it's just been sitting doing nothing. But now that I'm on the subscription plan, I wonder if they'll replace it. I went through their chat help desk online, and I told them that I bought this in 2016, and I went underwater about 20 to 30 times, and somehow water got into it and it broke, and this is all true. So they told me that there is a fee for this, $69 US, and I agreed to it. I was like, hey, you know what? I'd rather have a working Hero 5 than just a paperweight. So I did ask them what are the conditions to get it for free, because I've heard from other people that they've got it for free, and they were like, well, we don't know the answer to that. And then I asked them about the no questions replacement, because they did ask some questions, but either way, this is what happened. They came back and said, hey, we had some trouble with the processing, so we're gonna waive the fee. And then they were like, and because we don't have any Hero 5s, we're gonna send you a Hero 8. Which is great because I've never had the Hero 8 before, so it'd be kind of fun to try out and test out because I know a lot of you watching do have the Hero 8. So that was amazing customer service right there, and I gave them great feedback. And honestly, at that point, I could say that it's worth having the subscription year over year, just as like an easy warranty in case you do break something on your GoPro, and you can be a little bit more rough with it. So that was fun and unexpected when I was just making this video, and I am so excited. Hold on, doggy attention break.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt, but I really want to tell you where I get my music. It's from Artlist. Whether you have a YouTube channel where you want to get that royalty-free music, or maybe you have a business where you just want to get some chilled out music like this, or maybe you want something with more intensity, Artlist has all of that and everything in between. I personally have been using Artlist on this channel for over a year now, and I can't stress how much time I've just saved, not just looking for royalty-free music, but just the fact that I don't have to worry about getting that dreaded copyright claim. So all I'm trying to tell you is to click the link in the description and just try it out. And they have a very new deal for creators right now. The license covers all of your social channels: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, podcasts, and TikTok. And you know what? If you're serious about making your channel legit, this is a really good place to start. And one of my favorite things about Artlist is the music doesn't sound like elevator music. Their music sounds like something you would hear on the radio. Just click the link down below and just give it a try. You can thank me later, but do it. Don't waste any more time.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Okay, so the next one, it says on their website you can save up to 50% off. What does that look like? I mean, 30% off the Max Lens mod. That's really good. I paid full price for that. But you can see the savings here. I'm just gonna scroll through. These aren't bad prices. And I've always gone for like Ulanzi and Telesin and HSU because their prices are a little bit better. I've always found GoPro prices to be a little bit high, and now it's a lot more tempting at these subscription prices. By the way, I don't work for GoPro. I'm just curious about this myself, and I wanted to dive in deeper. All right, so the other one is the Quik App. You have unlimited access to their Quik App. And what does that really mean? It's the app where you can connect your GoPro on your phone, but also you can take it a step further and you can do some editing and stuff like that. It's pretty cool if you're looking to make shorts or Instagram stories or TikTok videos or whatever. But let me give you a good example of what this would be good for. Say you're going on a trip or like an adventure, and maybe by the end of it, you'll make a full video of it, but for the meantime, you want to document each day. You give it a little title, pick the theme, pick the music, and there's also other editing options that you can do in there, also slowing down your footage, you know, for slow motion effects. And really, you can do that all like in 15 minutes. So that's where I think it would come in handy. Now, I hear they're working on revamping their desktop version, and so I'm really excited to see what they're going to be doing with that. So when it does come out, I'll give it a try and tell you all about it. But for the next one, it's their cloud service. Here's the thing, I've never really been a cloud guy. When the whole cloud thing kind of got its popularity, I was working on cruise ships. I'm the king of the world! So I really couldn't utilize the cloud because, you know, internet was terrible out at sea. But I looked into it and it's actually really easy and kind of cool. When you connect your camera to your phone and you're on Wi-Fi, it'll actually upload all of your clips from your GoPro up to the cloud. And kind of a nice little fail-safe if you have important stuff on your SD card that you definitely don't want to lose. Yeah, that could save the day for you. Which also in turn works great for the Quik App. So if you want to do some more editing on that Quik App, you can access all of that footage from the cloud. Now the whole cloud thing and the Quik App, that doesn't really sell the subscription thing to me. Not that I really need to be sold to. I mean, you're saving money to get these perks. That's just... But the accessory discount and the camera replacement program, that's awesome. Like, I would just keep paying that subscription year over year, and you can cancel at any time. So in my mind, it pays for itself, and then some more. So if you're like, well, should I do it? Yes, I mean, save some money and reap the rewards. It seems like a win-win, and I really think the reason GoPro is even doing this is to give you great quality service and just make you a customer for life because you're happy with GoPro. You're a GoPro fan. Okay, well, hopefully that was helpful or fun or worth your time to watch it, and hopefully you enjoyed it. So thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it and helping this channel grow. It's amazing. Yeah, this is awesome. So excited to keep making videos for you, some reviews, some fun videos. So make sure you stay tuned, and you know, I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
The new GoPro Hero 5.
I don't really want to be like an opening products channel.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.